we do talk about articles. There are two types of articles. One is a definite article and another one is a indefinite article. A definite article and a indefinite article. These definite and indefinite articles have some usages. We should know usages of the articles, use of the articles, and how to write them. Why we want to learn all these articles? Because the topic articles is used, asked in every public examination. It may be 10th standard or it may be intermediate standard. Now you look at the board once, intermediate, section C, question number 11. 6 bits will be asked. 6 halves, 3 marks. In 10th standard, 10th class, section C, question number 23. There will be 2 questions related to the topic articles. 2 ones are 2 marks. The topic is articles. We call a, yan, the are articles. 2 types of articles are there. Indefinite article a and yan, definite article the. A and yan are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. Is it clear? Yes, I think you understood. Now let us see one by one the use of article a. A is article, yan is article, the is also an article. So first we do see the use of article a. Article a is used with consonants. What are the consonants? What are the consonants? If you have a question in your mind, for that I will give you here the clarification. The answer to what are the consonants? The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. Article A is used before consonants. Number 1, the use of article A. The use of article A. It is used with consonants only. That example, a car, a dog, a fan, a gun, a hen. One more time I do repeat for you. A is an article. A is used with consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are consonants. A is used with consonants. A car, a dog, a fan, a gun, a hen. On other hand, article A is also used with consonant sounds. Very, very important. Used with A is used with consonants. We all know that A is used with consonants. And second thing, A is used with consonant sounds. Which words or which are the letters produce consonant sounds? The letters or the words which produce consonant sounds are called vowels. Now look here, vowels produce consonant sounds. That means though words began with vowels but produce consonant sounds. Example I will tell you here. For example, one sentence as one word, European. European. Look here, the word began with E. What is E? E is a vowel. 1 rupee. 1 rupee note. The word began with O. O is a vowel. E is a vowel. O is a vowel. University. University. University began with the letter here, you see U. It is a vowel. Uniform. Union. Unicorn. United. Universal. Unique. All these words began with vowels. European began with vowel. 1 rupee began with vowel. University began with vowel. Uniform began with U, vowel. In union you see vowel. Unicorn, vowel. Universal, vowel. And here also means all these words we see vowels. But the sound of these words, though these words began with vowels, but they are not vowels. They are called here consonant sounds. They produce these vowels in these words. For these words, the vowels produce consonant sounds. So we use A, European, instead of an European. A 1 rupee instead of yan 1 rupee. A university instead of yan. Uniform, A uniform. A union, A unicorn, A unity, A universal, A unique. Remember this thing. One more time. Consonant sounds. The words which produce consonant sounds are words which began with vowel. Those are example European. The sound of this word, if you see the sound of European, this is it produces the sound of U. 1 rupee, it produces the sound of wa. In Telugu, U. Here wa. And union or university, it produces the sound of U. University. Union, here you see the sound of uniform, the sound U only. Union, same sound. Unicorn produces sound of U. United produces the sound of U. Universal produces the sound of U. Unique, sound of U only. Therefore, never write, look here, yan European is wrong. Yan 1 rupee, wrong. Why yan is not used? Because these words produce consonant sounds. That is about use of A, of yan. Yan is used with vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Yan is used with vowels. Examples. A, words with A. Apple, axe, ant, aeroplane, accident, act. E, I, egg, an, elephant, enemy, ear. Words with I. Ice cream, iron box, ink pot, innings, island. Words with O. Orphan, orange, onion, ostrich, ox, owl. Umbrella, here apple, an apple, axe, an axe, ant, an ant, aeroplane, an aeroplane, accident, an accident, act, an act. Vowels, words with E. Yan eye, yan egg, yan elephant, yan enemy, yan ear. Words with I also, same, an ice cream, an iron box, an ink pot, an inning, an innings, an island. Orphans, an orphan, orange, an orange, onion, an onion, ostrich, an ostrich, ox, an ox, owl, an owl. Umbrella, an umbrella, untidy. This word, an untidy. Use of yan. Yan is used with vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. We use yan with all these words which are called or words with began with vowels. Next, let us see vowel sounds. Vowel sounds, those words, consonants produce vowel sounds. Now look here, the words which produce vowel sounds are A. Here H, M, N, S. These are the consonants, but they produce vowel sound. Consonants, words which produce vowel sounds, we use article yan instead of a. Here our h is silent, that is why we use here yan our. Honest, honest, an honest. Honor, an honor. Honorable, an honorable. The words with m, mp, yan mp. MLA, yan MLA. MBBS, yan MBBS. MSc, yan MSc. MLA, yan MLA. MCom, yan MCom. Words with n, NCC, yan NCC. NSS, yan NSS. NRI, yan NRI. And words with S, SI, yan SI. Yan SOS, yan SMS. Just remember one important point here, that the words with M, N, S. One more time. Words with M, N, S used as abbreviation type. Now look here, MP, MLA, MBBS, NCC, NSS, NRI. These words, these are the words, but they are not the words, they are the abbreviations. They are the words which stand for the complete abbreviation. For such words, we use article yan. Article yan is used with such words. Remember all these things. Article yan for vowels, article yan vowel sounds. One, vowels. Second one, vowel sounds. If you remember, you will get sure 1 mark. You don't miss here. Now it may be intermediate or it can be a 10th standard. Both standards, these are very, very essential. You should remember and read at the same time. Watch the video 1 time, 2 times or 3 times until you understand. You don't miss all these things. Next class we are going to see definite article, that is the.